Anything else in here? That's it. That's the unboxing. Mavic Air. What's up, YouTube? This is Loto Against the World coming at you with another video. I got the new Mavic Air 2. Been wanting this thing for a while now. We're gonna do the unboxing today. I got the Mavic 2 Air Fly More combo. You know, I researched this for a while now to see what, you know, the best drone I should get for like my first drone. I'm actually going to school for film, so I want to try to, you know, get more experience. So this right here is gonna add a little bit more to my portfolio. A lot of aerial photographing is getting more popular right now, and a lot of more drones in the air. So, and with flying a drone also comes with a lot of you know, responsibility. You know, you gotta register. You know, I found out you have to register. It's only $5, you know, for 3 years, but that's just to fly it, you know, recreationally, and then eventually, if you want to do professionally, you'd have to take the FAA 107 part test, flight test. Anyways, let's get to it. Let's do this unboxing. Mavic 2 Air. Man, I've been wanting this. It's an exciting moment right now. I guess it all just came in this bag. That's cool. So there's the bag. Right there. What else is in the box? So what comes in here? Oh, okay. So we got the extra wings. I think it's an extra, I guess it's just an extra pair of wings, so it's like 4, or no, actually 1, 2, I think there's 6 in here. There's that. What else comes in here? Oh, okay. Wow, there's 2 sets, another one right here. I wonder what this this code is right here for. It's everywhere. It's all over the bags. I have all the some pretty good stuff. I'll read that later. And then what is this? Make sure you fully read and understand the documents. So this shows you how to charge everything, take off the lens, and to put the ND filters on. Use the charging hub. This shows you how to put the propellers on and everything. Make sure if you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and you know, if you like this video, keep coming back. Tell your friends. Keep coming back. Tell your friends. Loto Against the World. Okay, now we're gonna check this out. So this is the newest drone that DJI has came out with. It just came out actually in May, so it's only like 2 months old. It's actually the most updated out of all the drones compared to the Mavic Pro 2, but this is still newer. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, hoo, 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 hoo. There is that drone. This is my first drone, guys, and I knew that if I was gonna get a drone, that I was gonna get something that was worth it. And I've seen so many tutorials about different drones, and this just seemed to be the best one for a beginner and for a videographer, because this has the capabilities of a decent camera out there, you know, decent camera out there. Supposedly has a 35-minute flight time. It has a 10-kilometer flight distance. We can't forget it has the OcuSync 3.0. It has focus track. This one doesn't have side sensors, but it has the two. It has the two sensors in the front. Two sensors in the front. The two sensors in the back. The downward sensors located right here. Has the light. This is a landing light, and also for at nighttime. You have if you want to see you're not really supposed to be flying it at night, but if you're at night or low light, you know, has the gimbal protector right here. This one has a 1/2 sensor. Take up to 48 megapixel pictures, HDR. Please charge to activate the battery before using the first time, and refer to the quick start guide. First of all, so you go like this, like this. This one goes down. This one goes down. Wow. I don't know quite. I think this is the. I don't know what this is right here. There it is. It's kind of weird because I guess that's how it sits. These don't really touch the ground. It has the front. I guess it sits on this. So it sits like this. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful drone, guys. This is really beautiful. It says, please press the notch to remove the gimbal protector before turning on the power. I don't see no notch. I don't want to break this thing now.
1 hour later.
Press the notch.
Eventually.
Oh, okay, there it is. Wow, this looks so cool, man. This is has a 3-axle gimbal. You can see that 3-axle gimbal. It pans up and down. Little drone right there. And also, this is the first drone since the DJI Mavic 3 was supposed to come out this year, I guess, and it didn't. And it was going to be the first one to have the ADS-B AirSense, which is a new technology that DJI is going to start putting. This is the first drone that they put it in. It's a software that alerts you when you're in the air, and if there's an airplane or helicopter or something like that in the air close to you, it would alert you so you can get yourself out of the way, lower your altitude, so nothing bad happens. But so this is the first drone that actually has it. I don't know about any other companies, but this is the first DJI brand that actually it comes with, and it says it right here. You can see it right there. And then these arms are labeled A, B. So A and then A over here, and then B and B over here. So I guess that's probably the way how you're gonna know where to put the propellers at. Because from what I hear, one bad thing about this one right here is that you can actually put the propellers on the wrong side. And then right here, let's see, this is where you put your SD card. You got your mini SD card right here. So it has also internal memory. And then on this side, I think that's where you can charge it. You could probably charge it while the battery's in here. I'm gonna have to look into that. I don't know for sure. I don't know nothing about drones really. Just what I've been seeing on the internet and seeing everybody's tutorials. I forgot them. I've been watching that are pretty good. But I'll start doing my own. I'll do the distance test. I'll do the landing test. See how accurate it is. Using the 2.8 spotlight that it has, the focus track, the distance. We'll do the distance thing too. See how far it goes, if it really does go, which I've seen it go 6 miles. And we'll see what's up. Let's see here. How do you take this battery off? Oh, so you have to charge the battery before you fly it. So I guess it's not charged. So we're gonna have to do that. So here's a little drone right there. Let's see what's in here. Oh, let me put this back on.
A few moments later.
Alright. Sorry for the little wait there. Let's get back into it. Let's see what else is in this bag. Okay, here's a box right here. Let's see what's in that. Ooh, the controller. I've had a lot of mixed messages that I've seen on the tutorials about this controller. Some people don't like it. Some people like it. Let's see how you open this baby right here. Okay, there we go. 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 We going. Oh, look at this baby. Look at this baby. Look at it. Wow. To me, this is beautiful. I guess this is my first, my first time, first everything. So this thing is beautiful. So, from what I hear and I've seen, this comes up. So this is where you put your phone at, which is fucking cool as hell. A wire right here or something. Okay. And this is for an iPhone. I was worried about that. I didn't know if it was going to be for Android, if there was going to be an Android one or what. Okay, so check it out. We got a C. This is the new, the Apple, the C connection or whatever, and then the original one. So the Lightning. So then this right here connects to your phone. Boom. And supposedly this can, I don't know how far this goes up, but it goes pretty far. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so then right here on the bottom is your little toggle sticks. You just screw them on. Man, I can't wait. I just can't wait. And then on the controller, it has tripod mode, normal, and sport. And all you do is just toggle, just switch this switch right here, tripod, normal, and sport. So tripod mode is like for practicing. Normal is just normal, and sport is fast. This thing supposedly goes 20 miles an hour, I think it is. 30 miles per hour or something like that. That's pretty fast. The only bad thing is that if you're at sport, no 3.0 AccuSync. No AccuSync. Is it 2.0 or is it 3.0? Badass, you know what I'm saying? And then it has there's a record button right here. You have the button home. The home button for it to come back home. And this is the power button. And I think you gotta charge this remote too. But what's cool is I heard that this thing charges your phone while you're flying. The thing messes with the gimbal. So that's the remote right there. Alright, okay, so then here's the box, guys. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, okay, so this is the charging port. Charging box. And then, oh, I guess this was in here. That was in there. Anything else? No. Okay, so there's 2 batteries. there's 3 batteries. So what we got here, we got that, we got the 2 batteries, we got the extra wings, we got the charger. We're missing something, the ND filters. Where are those at? Oh yeah, we got this right here too. The charging hub. Oh, this is cool. So we got the charging hub. I wonder if you can just charge this battery straight from here. I think you can. But we'll have to see. There's a charging hub. Damn, I don't see anything else in here. Oh shit. Here it is. There it is. Okay. What is this? I guess. Okay. So this is for Android. So they do have one. So it's for, they have one for Android and they have one for Apple. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is a triple. This is a double. C connection, USB-C connection. That's what it's called, USB-C. I can't. So it has for other phones too. That's cool, man. This thing comes legit, man. You don't have to buy all the damn accessories like a lot of other things that you get. They make you, you know, they'll give you one little charger thing or whatever, but they'll make you buy all these other damn accessories. That's fucking cool, man. That's badass. These guys are shit. Man, this is so beautiful like that. Okay. We're missing something. What are we missing here? Okay. I don't know what the hell this thing is. Oh. Look at that. 2 extra toggle sticks. That's cool. Okay. I have no idea what this is. Okay, and this right here must be the ND filters. Bam! Look at that. Look at that. Boof! Look at that. Boof! Boof! ND filters, baby. Wow. These are crazy. So you get 16, 64, and 256. So 256 is really dark. 64 is 14, and 16 is light, I guess. But there you go. So they have one of these codes here things on every single fucking thing. So I wonder if you scan it, get one of those scanner things on the store. Make sure there's nothing else in here. That's it. That's the unboxing. Mavic Air 2. I'm gonna enjoy this right here. I'm very much enjoy this. So I'll be back with another tutorial. I guess setting up the drone. I'm gonna do every damn tutorial there is out there. Like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll catch you on the next one. This is Lolo Against the World. And now, my drone.